Here are a few common reasons why people get sued. Number one, hiring and employment. Employment litigation is growing quickly. It is very easy for a former employee to exaggerate or even fabricate a claim against their former employer. Make sure that if you have employees, you take action to protect your assets. Next, and this is not the most romantic thing you've ever heard, but getting married. Divorce proceedings, disputes over assets, or spousal support claims are very common when the marriage does not last. Selling a business. This is also a very common reason that clients hire my firm. After they sell a business, the new owner will take over and often not run the business as well as the previous owner and then try to undo the transaction. If you sell a business, definitely look at getting asset protection. Letting your kids drive your cars. There can be liability that arises from accidents or damages caused by your children when they drive a car. If your children are at least 18, it is wise to often transfer the car from your name into the name of your children so you're not liable in the event that they cause an accident. Owning rental property. Real estate is a great way to grow wealth. However, there's a lot of liability that comes with owning real estate. This can include claims related to property maintenance, tenant disputes, or accidents that occur on the property. Starting a business, another great opportunity for making money. However, business disputes are common. These can occur over intellectual property issues or failure to comply with certain regulations. Negotiating contracts. Breach of contracts or dispute over the terms and obligations often lead to lawsuits. Providing professional advice. Malpractice claims or accusations of negligence are common. Publishing content. If you are a social media influencer, you have the opportunity to reach a large crowd. However, there's a large crowd that could come after you for issues such as defamation, copyright infringement, or libel lawsuits. Entering into partnerships. Disputes over partnership terms, profit sharing, or business decisions are common reasons for lawsuits. Investing in real estate. Disputes over property transactions or development projects are also common. Offering products or service. Anytime you offer a product, you could be liable for any harm that that product causes. Hosting an event. Liability for accidents or incidences that occur during the event are commonplace as well. Giving personal loans. Disputes over repayment terms or allegations of fraud can arise when trying to collect on the money or when trying to pay back the money. Leasing property. Disputes over lease terms, property conditions, or security deposits can arise. Opening a nonprofit organization. Even when you're intending to do good and not even make a profit for yourself, there are still issues that can arise, such as regulatory compliance issues or disputes over the use of funds. There's also risks associated with signing personal guarantees. Liability for business debts or obligations could become your problem. Participating in community activities. Accusations of negligence or misconduct can occur even in volunteer roles. Making financial investments. If you're investing money on behalf of another person and that investment does not work out well, you could end up getting hit with a lawsuit. In conclusion, there are lots of different ways that you could become the target of a lawsuit. Regardless of the reason for the lawsuit, there's always a solution, and that solution is to proactively protect your assets with an offshore trust.